All right, so the first person to speak from 7th A is Bhavish. So 30 more seconds. All right, thank you. Time up. Now the next person is, who is from 7th A? Keep saying your name. How many people are from 7th A here? Bhavish, you tell me. Vivek is also from 7th A. All right, Vivek, speak. Vivek, very good. That's okay. He's here. Vivek, unmute and speak.
Give a speech over India's performance in Tokyo Olympic. Olympic is one of the biggest game played all over the world. This year it is played in Tokyo. It was scheduled last year, but due to coronavirus, it is going now. India has won the highest number of medals as compared to last 4 decades. India has won total 7 medals in Tokyo Olympics 2021. The first medal was the gold medal from Neeraj Chopra in javelin. There are 2 silver medals. First was Mirabai Chandu. She won in weightlifting in 49 kg women category, and second silver medal was by Ravi Kumar Dhia. He won on wrestling men 15-17, and there are 2 bronze medal was from the Indian hockey team. Second was from PV Sindhu. She won on women's single badminton.
Okay, thank you. Time up. Well spoken. All right, now we have Ayush Singh, if I'm saying the name correct. Nishtha is also there from 7th, hai na Nishtha? Nishtha Verma. Which class? Unmute and say, Nishtha is gone. People become invisible the moment you say their names, you know. Such magic only happens in English. You will not get to see such magical moments in any other subject, period, you know. Alright, so now we have Ayush from 7th. One by one start volunteering. Else I won't be even I won't be even considering you for qualifiers कि चलो इन बच्चों में से मुझे select करने हैं. 7th के और कितने बच्चे हैं? How many are there? I've already taken yours, Vivek. If you have some of your classmates, then take their names. Durgesh? Wow. Now your screen is rotating clockwise, anti-clockwise. Come up. Unmute and speak. Okay. So the same you can say, if the teacher is saying 7th A students, you should be honest, come out clean that ma'am, I am also from 7th A, but I need some time. हाँ? ऐसा हो सकता है कि नहीं हो सकता है? आप लोग वेट करेंगे जब तक लायन आपके पास ना आ जाए खाने के लिए, तब तक आप वेट करेंगे. Let the lion come to me. हाँ? Next person is Miss Nishtha. Madam, are you ready? Then unmute and speak. Prince, I'm coming to you after Nishtha.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Nishtha Verma from class 7th A. Student of Ayurvedic School, Old Camp, Prayagraj. My house is green. Today, I'm talking about Tokyo Olympic. Olympic game is known as the world major and athletic competition. This event takes place once in 4 years and over 200 nations takes part in the major. National takes part in the major event. The Olympic game first began is considered Greece at Olympic. The first Olympic took place of Athens, Greece in the year 1896. Thank you.
Okay. Prince, now it's your turn. Prince Kumar Pal, speak. Oh, all right. Is there any other child who is not prepared from 7th A? I can see okay, Ashmit is raising his hand. Mayank Verma. Mayank is there. Okay, Ashmit, I saw your hand. You're from 7th A, right? You're also not prepared. We have Mayank also. Mayank, would you like to speak?
Ma'am, I don't know about it because I have yesterday attend the class till 12 o'clock because my internet was off.
Okay, Mayank, but to correct you, let me tell you that it is not related to whether you were present in my class yesterday or day before yesterday. I think you are very much there on the WhatsApp group. Are you there or not? You are very much there. So the message was long ago. It was shared.
Ma'am, yesterday my net was expired 12 o'clock, so ma'am I didn't get any message yesterday.
It was not posted yesterday. The same I am saying. Days ago, 2-3 days ago I have posted. है ना, तो थोड़ा vigilant रहना है. Okay, Mayank? है ना?
Yes.
हाँ. Next period में सब ready रहिए. All right, now it's turn for 7B. So I should begin with Astha. श्रेया पाल बहुत मुस्कुरा रही हैं भाई. All right, I am coming to her also.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, speak.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Astha Mishra and I'm from class 7B. Today I'm going to tell you about the performance that India has seen in Tokyo Olympic 2020. India finished 48th on the medal tally in Tokyo, its highest ranking in over 4 decades. By the total number of medals, primarily based on gold medal won. The previous best of this period was the 51st rank finished at the beginning of 2008. When India won third medal, including Abhinav Bindra's gold, India has finished significantly higher in our era, and which used to win gold in hockey. Thank you.
Okay, Astha, but while you spoke, your camera was off. Have you deliberately switched off or like, ma'am, it was switch on, ma'am?
No, ma'am.
क्या आपका कैमरा बंद था? आपने बंद कर रखा था?
Ma'am, I forgot to open it. Sorry.
अच्छा, ठीक है. So now we have next person from 7B and he is, how many are from 7B here? आप लोगों को आना चाहिए, एक्टिविटी आप लोगों की है. अच्छा, Abhinav is dying and he's raising his hand. Okay, come before the camera. No. So you have to perform. यहाँ पे, are we sitting in cafe coffee day? Shut up. Is there anybody else? 7B, Ashmit. 7B people. इसे इंग्लिश में कैसे कहेंगे? यशमित बताएंगे.
Tomorrow we having the English.
हा. Good. बहुत अच्छी लैंग्वेज स्किल्स है सबकी.
We also had.
No, it's. Will you listen to me now? आप लोग एक दूसरे की हेल्प कैसे करेंगे? कोई बच्चा हिंदी में सेंटेंस बोल रहा है, उसको इंग्लिश में ट्रांसलेट कैसे करेंगे आप? You know, it is so easy to mock and to make fun, but it is so hard to come out and to help the classmate or the class fellow or the person of other section. Ma'am, will you conduct the same activity tomorrow? Okay, Ashmit? Okay नहीं? दोबारा से बोलो इसको. Nah, will you conduct the same activity tomorrow? Say again.
Ma'am, will you conduct the same activity tomorrow?
I shall conduct it because many are still not here. Everyone is so tired, you know, they have gone back to their den. You know, as I just told you in the beginning of the class, all are lions in my class. And every lion is so tired. They have hunted so badly. They all are tired. They have returned to their den. Some lions are here with me. We all are on a jungle safari. You know. So definitely I'll be conducting the activity tomorrow. Okay, one lion is laughing like Aditya. Aditya, you speak. Will you speak? Are you ready? Oh, Piyush. हाँ, बहुत बढ़िया. अंकित सिंह.
Yes, ma'am.
Will you speak?
Yes, ma'am.
Chalo, you have 1 minute and I'm looking at my watch. Your time starts now.
Good afternoon,